So let's talk about some of the questions that we have received from the 9th October paper. Thanks a lot Tarun Kaushik, and we would be talking about the questions. Now the values here have been assumed by Tarun. The idea is you have the various years and the countries that have been mentioned. Now there were various questions which were related to, so this is the data for the import of oil in million tons. Now there were various questions that were related to, like if P is the average of all countries import in 2009 and Q is the average of all countries import in 2017, then how would you solve it? So basically what you would do is you would calculate the values of imports for 2017 and 19 and take the difference for those values, and then that would be the take out the average for those and then take a difference. Then the next question was percentage of Iran's import to all the years of Iran. Now here it's important when we are asking about a particular value. So let's say we are talking about the proportion of Iran in imports in 2016, for example, across all of the Iran, then this would be the data. However, if the same question is being asked when it is said that you have to mention, let's say, the imports of Iran across all the imports in 2016, then you would take this data into consideration. So with what value you would divide varies. I repeat again, when it is percentage of Iran in 2016, let's say, divided by percentage of all Iran, then you would take the vertical column counting all the Iran. However, there could be a question where you could be asked percentage of Iran in 2016 divided by all the imports in 2016. So you would take the horizontal row. In the first case, sorry, you would take the vertical row. In the second case, you would take the horizontal row for 2016. So that's a very important aspect that you need to understand. Then there were questions in DI relating to ratio. So you have to find out the total of Iran and Venezuela, let's say, and find out the ratio. And then there was a similar question where there was how much percentage increase has been seen, let's say, in the country of Nigeria over the last year. So you have to take out the current value minus the previous value, let's say for Saudi Arabia, divided by the previous value would give you the percentage increase. So new value minus the old divided by old into 100, as simple as that. So that's what you have to remember here. Then there was questions related to percentage increase decrease that we have covered. The next question was relating to number series. So the number series, the ratio was half, 2/3, 3/4, 4/5 and 5/6. Now this is a kind of question that was asked. In most of the sets we have seen that fractional, like when there is a number series, either it was a fractional ratio or a square or an exponential ratio that was seen. The next is we have the various questions from computing section. The various sections were given and the description for those were given. What is CPU used for, what is the function of ALU, RAM and ROM. So those were the kind of questions. Then speed and travel problem, again an important question that was asked. There was a question that it is required to score 36% in an exam to pass. If a student gets 90 marks and he fails by 9 marks, that means 90 plus 9, that is 99 would be the passing marks, and this passing marks is equivalent to 36%. So how much is the aggregate marks you can calculate? Since 36% is equal to 99, apply a unitary method. So 99 by 36 into 100. Okay, so that's how you would solve it. The next kind of questions were a certain sum after 2 years at a certain rate becomes so and so. So you have to find out the compound interest. So another very basic questions that were there regarding compound interest, simple interest in most of the sets. So that's something you must go through. Ancient India and universities across ancient India, their motto, their establishment, the foreign travelers who visited, during which dynasties those were established are important. We have covered a separate class where we have covered the ancient universities, the major ancient universities of India. So make sure you cover those carefully. The next is open universities in India have been based on the recommendation. Now committees and recommendation, again a common question commonly asked. Questions on primary memory, secondary memory, volatile memory, non-volatile memory, again very important. Then similarly you have questions on SDG, Sustainable Development Goal, Millennium Development Goal, commonly asked. And then carbon dioxide emissions, carbon monoxide emissions, SAFAR app is again important. Similarly SUMMER is again important. This basically talks about the amount of black carbon released by aeroplanes, and this has been developed by IMD, so again important. Then there were questions related to search engine and what is a web browser, how do we identify a IP address, so what is a correct IP address, and how do you recognize an IP address whether it's correct or not. Okay, then those were the kind of simple questions that we have been discussing here, and the standard kind of contemporary questions are always there. Square of opposition, syllogism, moods and figures, Hetvabaz fallacies, these are some of the topics you should not miss at all. So wish you a very good luck for your forthcoming examination. Thanks a lot Tarun for the paper, and we would be bringing in many more analysis based on the feedbacks that we receive. I am highly obliged that the students have been taking efforts without any say, and they have been sending us questions without any delays. Thanks a lot everyone, and wish you all a very good luck for your upcoming examination. Have a wonderful day.